Ackah Business Immigration Law. Welcome to our LinkedIn Live today, Wednesday, as always. Today, we're going to be focusing on incorporation services in Canada. And this goes to some of our themes around why you need a business immigration lawyer. At Ackah Business Immigration Law, we work with a number of corporate clients around the world who want to move to Canada and continue operating their businesses or want to grow their businesses and need support to figure out the best ways to do that. One of the ways we do that and help our clients, the most common, is to set up incorporations for them in Canada so that they're able to transfer to Canada as an employee, executive employee, or specialized knowledge employee of their existing entity and start launching their business operations here in Canada. So Ackah Law has been providing incorporation services for some time, and it used to be that there were very few provinces where employers and company owners could incorporate in Canada without requiring the support of a local permanent resident director or member of the board. And now most of the provinces across Canada have changed those rules. And so that gives our clients more options than just British Columbia or sometimes PEI to be able to bring their companies to Canada. They're able to incorporate the business that they want in whatever province they want and start their operations in that province that they want to operate. So a part of our services at Ackah Law is to assist business owners with the strategy and the creation of their business, everything from looking at name options, making sure the nuance search is done correctly, making sure that the name that they want is approved, or we give them some options, because when you're choosing a corporate name, you want to make sure it's not one that somehow will be confused with another one. And most registries really like you to use names that also define and describe the nature of the business. So at Ackah Business Immigration Law, we help you with that process. It might take 2 or 3 weeks, depending on the province that you are choosing to incorporate your entity. And then we get started after the incorporation has been completed with starting the intercompany transfer for the executive or specialized knowledge worker, so you can transfer yourself to your new entity. This is one of the reasons why I always say people need a business immigration lawyer, because most business people abroad don't understand all the options that are available to them to be able to come to Canada. We have successfully prepared hundreds of these applications over the last few years. And in my 23-year career, I've probably done tens of thousands of intercompany transfer applications. But this one is unique because it's not just the company you may work for in the States wanting to nearshore you to Canada and they set up the business. We do that as well for companies in Silicon Valley and high-tech industries, or any companies in the States or Mexico where they want you in the same time zone and they want to bring you to Canada for immigration purposes. We assist with that as well. But we also work with people from all over the world, whether it's Nigeria, China, anywhere, Vietnam, to look at ways for them to come to Canada if they're already successfully running a business, that they can then continue to expand their market here and grow their business and take care of their immigration systems and strategies as well from inside Canada for them and their family. So this is something I really want you to think about. If you are a business owner and you're looking at ways to come to Canada and express entry is not an option for you, or you're too old, or whatever the case may be, having a successful business may be another way for you to move to Canada successfully. Depending on the country and depending on the business, we also work with a business plan company that they help develop and create the business plan for the expansion strategy for the business. It's not at all related to us, but we highly recommend them. And so if our clients feel they can't put together a strong enough business case, we recommend they work with a professional business plan writer who can help them make the case as strong as possible with all of their projections as to the growth of their business in the years to come. If you'd like to learn more about the incorporation services we offer at Ackah Law and how we may be able to help you, please contact us at the numbers above. Take good care, and thank you so much for tuning in to our LinkedIn Live.